What's going on, everybody? It's Marsellis back with another stock market video, and today we're going to be talking about the stock options that I just now did. And actually a few minutes later, after I ended the video, it actually went up to 188, and then I ended up selling it at about 130, so $130 profit in a few seconds. That's just day trading for you. If I had $25,000 in my account, I would have been able to day trade that consistently every day, and I'd be able to make a lot of money if I had $25,000 in my account, and that's what I'm shooting for right now. But yeah, as you can see, I just made a quick $100 and something dollars. But yeah, you can see I'm up here, and then I'm still down on United Airlines. It was actually up earlier today, so if it was up higher, I would be at 10,000 by now. But since United Airlines is holding me down, I'm about to take all that money that I just now made, and then I'm about to turn it into even more money, so then I'll be up. That's what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to make back the losses from United Airlines. So whenever I actually am positive on United Airlines, I'm also positive on a whole load of other stocks, and that'll bring me up to about $11,000 to $12,000. So that's what I'm shooting for right now. Planeteer was a pretty good trade, but now one of my day trades are gone for the week, so I'm down a little bit because now I need to only do 2 more day trades, and then I'll be good. Usually I don't day trade options, but if I notice that it goes over at least 10%, then I may just sell it. But that one I sold way less than 10%, just because I'm trying to make back this loss very quickly, so I might have to hold in on something over time. And DoorDash would have been a good one to trade really quick, but I just now missed the opportunity there. So yeah, DoorDash, I could have made a good little percentage there. And yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on what I was doing with Planeteer. I don't know if you guys are in Planeteer, if you're holding it, but Planeteer is definitely a good stock to hold for the long run. And I'm not holding it for the long run just because I'm trying to make back these losses here. I got a 10% drop, so I need to make that back. And the next play I get in, I will definitely fill you in on. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and watch out for some more videos.